What are prisms in geometry? Have you ever wondered what makes a prism such a fascinating shape in geometry? Let's break it down together. A prism is a three-dimensional solid shape that features two identical, parallel polygonal bases. These bases are connected by flat surfaces known as lateral faces. The lateral faces are typically parallelograms or rectangles that link the corresponding sides of the bases. The unique aspect of prisms is that the bases can be any type of polygon. For instance, if the base is a triangle, we call it a triangular prism. If the base is a square, it becomes a square prism, which is also known as a rectangular prism. Now let's look at some key characteristics of prisms. First, they have two parallel and congruent polygonal bases. This means that both bases are identical in shape and size. Second, the lateral faces are flat, with no curved surfaces present. This gives prisms their distinct geometric look. Another interesting feature is that prisms maintain a uniform cross-section along their length. If you slice a prism parallel to its bases, the shape of the cross-section will match the base shape. The height, or altitude, of the prism is the perpendicular distance between the two bases. Prisms can be categorized into two main types, regular and irregular. Regular prisms have bases that are regular polygons, meaning all sides and angles are equal. Irregular prisms, on the other hand, have bases that are irregular polygons with unequal sides or angles. When it comes to calculating the volume of a prism, the formula is straightforward. Volume equals the area of the base multiplied by the height. This helps us understand how much space the prism occupies. For surface area, the formula is 2 times the base area plus the perimeter of the base multiplied by the height. This gives us the total area of all the faces of the prism. Prisms are everywhere in our daily lives. A rectangular prism resembles a box or a brick, which we encounter often. Triangular prisms can be seen in structures like tents or roofs. Their flat faces and straight edges make them easy to construct and analyze, which is why they are popular in architecture and design. Interestingly, the concept of prisms also applies in optics, where optical prisms bend light. This shows just how versatile and important prisms are in both geometry and real-world applications. Understanding prisms is essential for grasping how three-dimensional shapes are formed from polygons and flat surfaces. This knowledge is fundamental in geometry, especially when calculating volume and surface area and visualizing solid figures. So next time you see a prism, you'll know exactly what it is and how it fits into the world of geometry.